Hello there. Today we are going to write a line from 2 points, and this is the introduction. So this is the first time we're doing this. We're actually going to flip over to the back side of the page, though, number 12. Okay, so I'm giving you 2 points here, and we're going to write an equation. So between the points 0, 5 and 2, 9, we are first going to find the slope. Let me write that secret formula up here, though. Remember, we have our martini glasses and our picnic table. If you're not 21, these glasses are sparkling grape juice glasses. Okay, so let's label our points. We have x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, so we're plugging into our formula. So y2 is 9 minus y1, which is 5. x2 is 2 minus 0. All right, so I simplify. I have 4 over 2. I can keep reducing that. So my slope is equal to 2. All right, now it's telling us, let's pick one of these 2 points. We can pick whatever one. I'll pick the second one, 2, 9. I'm going to label then with x1 and y1. Okay, so I have my slope, my x1, and my y1. This is going to be plugged into what we call point slope formula. So this is that point slope formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So up above here, I just found my slope. I labeled my x1 and I labeled my y1 because I just picked one of the 2 points. You can pick either point. It's going to give you the same answer in the end. So let's plug in our missing numbers. My slope, I found that was 2. That was part A. Now I have my x1 here. That's 2. So x minus 2. My y1 is 9, so I'm going to plug that in here. Y minus 9. Now it says solve, so the equation is in y equals mx plus b form. Okay, so let me rewrite this in my own writing. So y minus 9 is equal to 2 times x minus 2. I need to first distribute. Okay, so I have y minus 9 is equal to 2x minus 4. Now I want y by itself, so I'm going to add this 9 to the right side. So plus 9, plus 9. So then I'm left with y equals 2x, then negative 4 plus 9 is positive 5. Great. Okay, so now let's go down and try one more. See if the second time around it's a little smoother. So I'm going to label my slope x1, y1, x2, y2. You're going to plug it into your slope formula. So y2 minus y1. So I did negative 1 minus 3 over my x2 minus x1. Okay, so negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. So I can just write that my slope is equal to negative 4. Okay, then I'm going to pick one of the 2 points. I'm going to pick the second point here, 2, negative 1. I'm going to show you what happens when there's a negative number. I'm going to label them x1, y1. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down here. It says begin to write your equation. Again, we're using that point slope form. So I know my slope, my y1 and x1, because I just picked those right up here. Okay, so my slope, I found that was negative 4. That was part A. My x1, I labeled right here as 2. So x minus 2. Then I have my y1 is negative 1. So y minus a negative 1. I'm going to write this out in my own writing. So I have y minus the negative 1 is equal to negative 4 times x minus 2. Whenever you have two negative signs right in a row, they're touching, that becomes a plus sign. So let's change that to a plus. So I have y plus 1 is equal to negative 4 times x minus 2. Okay, then I'm going to distribute. So I have y plus 1 is equal to negative 4x plus 8. Make sure it's negative 4 times x. Negative 4 times negative 2 is a positive 8. Watch those negatives. Okay, then I need to get y by itself. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. So I'm left with y equals negative 4x plus 7. Okay, and this is the first day, the introduction of writing these lines with 2 points.